This is the Ravens Red Zone. And especially you fat fuck. Listen, bitch. Is that what you did when you had to watch the Steelers win the Super Bowl? Did you go to your little boyfriend next to you and put your head on his shoulder and start whining like a baby that the Steelers are too good for the Ravens? As far as the Super Bowl, I really don't give a shit. If San Francisco gets it, hey, that means they're just tied for the Steelers, and the Steelers will retake the lead next year. You see, the real winner of this could be the Steelers. Because if Baltimore wins, that means San Francisco doesn't get the sixth Super Bowl. If San Francisco wins, I get the pleasure of watching the Ravens choke in another playoff game. So Ravens Red Zone, why don't you shut your fucking mouth, you two big, fat, ugly, stupid bitches. I'll beat both of your asses. No doubt about it. I can whip both of you. Fucking pussy ass Baltimore bitch.